In today's tutorial, we're delving into the solution for the Facebook dating location mismatch problem. If you've encountered this issue while using the Facebook dating application, fret not. I'm here to guide you through the troubleshooting process step by step. Stick around till the end of this video tutorial to grasp the full solution. Occasionally, Facebook's dating feature might not accurately detect everyone's location. But don't worry, there's a quick fix for this. For instance, it might take some time for your primary location to update. If you're unable to sync your dating location with your primary one or you're hesitant to enable location services, there's a workaround deleting your Facebook dating profile. To initiate this process, navigate to the settings within the app. Look for the option to delete your profile under the account settings, typically found in the General tab. Once you select this option, you'll be prompted with a warning indicating that all your dating profile data, including photos and shared content, will be permanently erased. Confirm the deletion to proceed. After deleting your profile, you can then create a new one. This fresh start allows you to input the correct location, ensuring that the Facebook dating algorithm accurately detects it. By doing so, you'll minimize the chances of experiencing location mismatches in the future. Once you've set up your new Facebook dating profile with the correct location, you're all set. Remember to like this video if you found the information helpful and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Until next time, happy dating on Facebook.